Today, we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 581 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator with the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator in a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend continuation strategy. And so the source video says, this indicator combo most traders don't know about. Little bit of grammar issues in the title there, and so they seem to be implying that this combination of indicators, a lot of traders don't know about it. It's possible that is true. It's hard to qualify that. It's hard to understand or hard to know for sure whether or not that is a true statement. But nonetheless, we will put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. Might be profitable, might not. We don't really know. So what we'll do is just hide the two indicators we have on screen now. And the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the sentiment range MA. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and then jump into the settings. And we're just going to double check that the length here is set to 21, and we have a trigger of 4, ATR of 200, range of 6. We'll scroll down and everything else should be on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. And the second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Elliott Wave Oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And we're going to jump into the settings of this one as well. Go ahead and go into the inputs, change the SMA length 1 to 100, the SMA 2 length to 200. Jump into the styles, and you're going to want to change this selection here to columns, and then you can make these colors whatever you want. Did a vibrant red and a vibrant green, and then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade setup is we are looking for when the sentiment range MA turns from any color to green. So it can go from red to green, or it can go from gray to green like it does here. And when it switches to the green coloration, we're then going to look down to the Elliott Wave Oscillator, and we want it to have a green column like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'd put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right below this kind of pivot area right here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we get this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for short trade setup, what we are looking for is we are looking for when the sentiment range MA switches from any color to red. You can see here it switches from green to red in this case. And when it switches to red like that there, we're then going to look down to the Elliott Wave Oscillator, and we want it to have a red column like this here. And that would be our signal to then enter into a short. Put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this little pivot area formed here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like before. So put us right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see with this one, we get a nice push to the downside just like before, getting us to our take profit. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $12,000. It would have put your total profit and loss at 0 break even, not including any possible spreads or commissions. So most likely you'd have been down a decent little amount, if not more from there. And so as far as a combination most traders don't know about, I guess you could say that might be the case, but maybe just because it's not a very good combination, it appears. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 73 trades altogether with the Academy Forex indicator and the Academy Forex higher time frame indicator. We had right at a 74% win rate and a total gain right at $25,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.